me. It hurts to love. You don't know how painful it is until you get into it. Mama always warned me. But I didn't listen. I think I gave you the much love you didn't deserve. Yes, I did. Shouldn't have given. But it's okay. Because I know each time you see me cry, it makes you happy. Because you feel like you're the hero. I really loved you. Sincerely loved you. My time, my loyalty, my heart. I poured just for you. Oh no, you paid me back this way.
Please, what about you? Please, what?